Okay, we're trying something a little bit different here, but I'm using that VST host. I'm using a different type of compressor on the front end, and then it is just shoving everything it's got into the EQ, and then that EQ is just blowing everything else out of the water. So I'm going to try to reduce that a little bit. Bring this down just a hair. Test 1 2. Test 1 2. And I also raised the gain on the microphone. Took off the -10 dB pad, and see what we get here. So this is just me talking regular, and I'm getting quite a bit of already quite a bit of into the limiter. So that's right into the limiter too. It's actually probably needs to be the other way around. Let's try this. Okay, now I've changed the effects chain order. Let's see if we can get a little more robust. There we go. So now we've got the TL3127 going right into the Loudmax limiter. Pull the gain down a little bit there. That goes right into the Bootsy EQ. But now I should be able to pull this Bootsy EQ down to where it's not peaking out so bad. Test 1 2. Check 1 2. Test 1 2. Check 1 2. Because we should be able to limit things a little more with the limiter here than pumping out the EQ right into it. Let's try that. Okay, so that should be hot, but should not have a bunch of distortion on it. Right about there. A little more, right there. That should be right where we want it, right there. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. File, let's see, save bank. Yes, I want to replace that. Okay, so I'm going to minimize that. Alright, so now we should be able to test this out here. Alright, so looking at minute 4, and can probably hear everything in the whole house with all this gain.